Hello, I'm Connor Baxter and I'm from Maui, Hawaii, and I've been using the Hapbee for a few months now, and all I can say is wow. I mean, from sleep to energy to calmness to recovery, this thing is a wearable, hackable device to enhance your feelings, enhance your mood, whether you want to feel like you had a glass of wine and go out for the night, or if you want to sleep better at night, throw this under your pillow for 8 hours. This is insane, and the technology is incredible. My top 3 signals I've been using is alert, for obvious reasons. Wake up in the morning, get that cup of coffee feeling going without actually having to brew it or wait for the coffee to be made. That one is super key for all my trainings to get in that right headspace, and I've really been liking alert. Next one would definitely be the happy setting. This is to simulate if you had a cup of wine or a glass of alcohol without actually having to ingest the alcohol in your system. As an athlete, I'm really particular in what I put into my body, so I don't want to have a glass of wine or a cup of alcohol or 2 drinks every single night. Of course, on Sunday when we're having family dinner or things like that, it's a good time for it. But during the week, I love the feeling of relaxing, and this is a great way to do that. The third and final signal is deep sleep. This one is incredible. I throw this on, take the Bluetooth setting off, put it on 8 hours, throw it under my pillow, and I am getting deeper sleep, watching my Whoop strap and all my markers. This is really showing me that I'm getting into deeper sleep, deeper REM sleep, and this is where the recovery process really happens. In order for me to perform at a high performance the next day, I need deep sleep. I don't just need 8 to 10 hours in bed, I need sleeping performance, and this is a really great way to achieve that. Hapbee has helped me not only get better rest at night, but also perform in the day when I've already had my 2 cups of coffee and I'm going for the second or third workout of the day, and it's at 4 o'clock, and I definitely don't want to be drinking another cup of coffee at that time. I throw on the alert signal, and this is really a nice way to get that midday afternoon boost, and just throw an easy signal on, throw a little wearable device, and there you go. So this has really been helping me push through the second or third workouts of the day. To all my friends and family, this is a device you need. Whether you're an athlete, you're a 9-to-5er, doesn't really matter. This is allowing you to perform and rest and have a better mindset and better flow state, for instance, whether you're using the focus setting or alert setting, and allowing you to really calm down at the end of the day without having to ingest all these CBDs or alcohol or different tinctures to help you really calm down. In that sense, you don't need to buy a supplement. Grab this device, hack the way you feel, and you'll be better and performing better every day.